Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Helke and I'm from small town Wisconsin. So I'm an author and a writer, and my mission is to inspire women to live a joy-filled midlife, which is what I'm doing at age 57. And one of the things that I did in midlife was write and publish my very first children's book, which is called Beatrice the Little Camper Gets Rescued, which is about my real life camper renovation. And we're sitting right now inside my real life Beatrice. But anyway, I plan on writing a whole series about her adventures, and what I want to share here are mainly book reviews. I love to travel, so I'm hoping to put up lots of travel videos, book news about Beatrice, and mainly just talking to midlife women and say, hey, get out there and make your dreams come true. You can. I am. You can also. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for coming. Bye.